And now stand by for adventure.
3, 2, 1.
In the exciting story of the Ghastly Ghost. The stars of the heavens twinkle softly this night. All is peaceful throughout the universe. Then, suddenly, a speeding object streaks towards the Earth, heading straight for the island base of Colonel Bleep. Instantly, the searching eye of the Colonel's rotoscanner spots the approaching invader. Red alert! Red alert! Prepare for attack! But wait, the saucer streaks right past 00 Island. All clear! All clear! Danger is past! But is the danger past? Colonel Bleep is not so sure, for there was something very familiar about that mysterious flying object. Through his powerful scanner, Bleep continues to track the saucer, watching it finally dip to Earth at the base of the giant pyramids of Egypt, some 3,000 miles away. Now the Colonel knows that the danger is only beginning, for this is the sinister flying saucer of Dr. Destructo, master criminal of outer space. Yes, Destructo has come to Earth to rob the treasure-rich tombs of the ancient Egyptian rulers. Quickly, the doctor's trained baboons begin the plunder, bringing load after load of the precious treasure from the first pyramid to their treasure from the first pyramid to their wicked master. Already, however, Bleep and his trusty space deputies are on their way with a plan to catch the thieving villains by surprise. Now only 2 pyramids remain untouched, but which will Destructo rob next? The Colonel knows they must watch both, and so he sends Squeak and Scratch to guard the first, while Bleep prepares to protect the second pyramid. The trap is set. Now they can only wait. But unknown to Bleep and his friends, Destructo's sly baboons have figured out Bleep's plan. Disguised as mummies, these terrible creatures are already watching the puppet and caveman's every move. With no one to stop them now, the wicked baboons scoop up the treasure and run. But look, it's another mummy, a giant mummy. Even Destructo shakes with fright, then flees for his very life just as fast as his saucer can carry him. But now, the giant mummy turns to Bleep. Here it comes! Run, Colonel! Run! But Colonel Bleep is laughing so hard he can't even move. And no wonder. Just look at that giant mummy now. It's actually only little Squeak riding piggyback on good old Scratch. Yes, the night had ended on a laugh, and in no time at all, the Egyptian treasure was safely back in place. So, once again, Dr. Destructo has learned that trickery does not pay. For this time, his trick had come back to haunt him.